Please stop following tutorials. My channel is full of tutorials, and after making so many of them, I realized something I didn't expect. Tutorials can actually hold you back. You spend hours copying mechanics, following every step, and in the end, yes, you have something that works, but a few days later, you have already forgotten how you did it. So you go back, rewatch the same video, repeat the same process, and it feels like progress, but it's really just a loop. Now, don't get me wrong, tutorials are a great place to start, especially with something as massive as a real engine. It's full of systems, features, and settings that can feel impossible to learn on your own. If you always follow someone else's path, you never really understand why things work, only how to copy them. Imagine challenging a Michelin star chef. You both cook your best dish, maybe a perfect lasagna, but no matter how flawless it is, the chef will always win. Because while you're following recipes, he's creating his own. That's the real difference between knowing and understanding. Tutorials give you recipes, but if you want to become the chef, you need to start cooking without one. So here's my advice. Open a reel, pick one small thing. A door that opens, a flickering light, a basic mechanic. Then try to recreate it without watching anything. Anything. You'll fail? Yes, probably 100 times, but every mistake will teach you something real. And that kind of knowledge you'll never forget. This video started with a simple idea. Stop following tutorials. But the real message is this. Stop following tutorials and start creating. After more than 20 tutorials, it's time for me to change too. This video marks the start of a new chapter for this channel, one where I'll build real projects, experiment freely, and learn by doing. Not everything will work, I know, some things will fail, badly maybe, but that's okay, because in game development and in life, the best lessons come from creating, not copying. I'm Mark, and this is Game Dev Journey. Let's start creating.